हमारे ग्रुप के SR के आते हुए हमारे ग्रुप के SR के आते हुए यहाँ पे तू तो ना बोल रहा था ना मैं नहीं आऊँगा।
फ्यूजन बोला था तो फ्यूजन में आना पड़ेगा ना।
भाई यहाँ पे सब फ्यूजन ही है मेरे भाई।
So you can choose among these four. So it is completely fresh and customization menu, and it is completely on the lines of your freshness, the speed, and the taste. These three are the major factors which has been kept in mind while designing a menu. So as I mentioned, you can choose your
own style
own
menu.
menu based on what you want, like your rice bowl, chorizo, which is a wrap, salad, and also your nachos. So the toppings and that will be followed by the proteins. The proteins again you can choose from, where you have two varieties of paneer. One is barbecue paneer, which is sweet and spicy, then chipotle, which is on the spicier side, but then still it is a balanced one. And then you have a lemon chili mushroom, which is a crunchy and centered is soft and has a flavor of lemon chili, followed by a piri piri potato, which is again a fried crunchy. So it brings you all the texture, flavors in terms of your cold flavors, in terms of your sweetness, the sourness, the spicy, every kick you will get in the food when you are making your own food. So no matter whatever you choose from, you will get a very nice and tasty product, which is very much on the lines of what the masses are looking for, and it is very affordable. So the price point is also very competitive. So if you
It is like near to Subway.
No, it is not a Subway, because Subway doesn't deal with the fresh food. Subway is more to do with your food which contains a lot of preservatives and the sauces which are very much high in oil content. If you talk about our products, the rice is freshly prepared, the beans are done, the mushrooms and the piri piri potatoes are fried over here. The sauces are freshly done at our kitchen, followed by your salsa. Both the salsas which are being used over here are completely oil free. So we are using a specific ingredient, kind of a tomatoes which are called tomatillos. So those give the tartness, unlike your normal tomatoes, and it is completely oil free. And we have the option of mild and the spicy salsa. Then we have a fresh tomato salsa and a fresh corn, which is again freshly cut in the kitchen, and then it is prepared, assembled over here.
Okay.
So even the lettuce, the sour cream, everything is done at the kitchen over here. So it's quite filling, affordable, very price point is pretty competitive, and we also kept speed in the mind. So even if
Many people come together, also you can get a time to prepare your
yes,
make a dish.
and everybody wants to choose their own flavors. Everything
Yeah.
it can be done and it can be served, and the portion is such a way that it can be shared also.
Okay. So it can be shared by two people.
Yes, and we have kept in mind the major, the taste profile of the masses in mind, especially the crowd of Surat, even in other states also. So we have kept a very balanced approach in terms
Okay.
of the over flavor profile.
So what is your favorite, madam, highest USP product?
So among all the proteins, so USP is like any product.
Every dish is your different, I know.
So every dish may be a different, but then the taste profile is almost similar. The reason
Okay.
is because the toppings are almost similar. The proteins are, though the proteins are different, but the overall flavor profile is similar. Okay. So somebody wants something fried, but the toppings remains the same, so it still has a very nice flavor profile. So the one of the highest selling product which goes over there is your lemon chili mushroom, which is our USP. Barbecue paneer is another one which goes very well. So if somebody wants in terms of texture wants soft chatpata, barbecue paneer is very good. If somebody wants something on the crunchier and the little on the spicier and sourness side, goes for lemon chili should be good.
Okay. So what will be good for me?
I would suggest you should go with your lemon chili mushroom
Okay.
and go with nachos. So nachos give you the crunch as the base, followed by the beans.
No, I want something in roti or shawarma
Roti
type.
wrap. So
Shawarma.
in that case,
Wrap up.
I will suggest you go with the burrito wrap. So which is your wrap followed by your lemon cilantro lime rice a bit. Then the beans. So we have two varieties of beans, pinto and the black beans. Both have two different flavors, and we add both.
Together.
If somebody we add together, we suggest to add together. If somebody doesn't prefer the spicier one, we will add 2 scoops of the pinto beans,
Okay.
and then followed by the proteins, which I have already mentioned. So those proteins can be taken, and then all the toppings will remain the same based on what is your taste profile.
So these are daily prepared.
Daily prepared, freshly done, no preservative, very less oil. As I said, our salsas are completely oil free.
But if you say preservative, but in these preservatives are not necessary, no? इसमें मतलब आप क्या ही कर लोगे preserve? ये तो खत्म हो जाता होगा ना आपका.
मतलब क्या है कि generally lot of things are done where to increase the shelf life of the product.
हाँ वही.
People add those, but since it is freshly done in the kitchen, so nothing need to be added as such. So it is, what I mean to say is, if it is not sold, we throw it out, we make the fresh the next day.
Okay.
That's how it is.
So you can prepare that wrap you told, no?
Yes, I will do that.
Okay. Hey, sir.
So this is your burrito wrap.
Okay.
So we will be adding the cilantro lime rice in this, which is freshly prepared in the kitchen.
Okay.
Then we'll be adding little bit of fajita vegetables, which is freshly sautéed onion and capsicum with a little bit of your herbs into it, which is on the lines of Mexican.
Okay.
Then we have this pinto beans, which is soft and juicy beans. It is specifically used in the Mexican cuisine. But the flavor profile has been done in such a way that it goes well for the Indian consumers. This is a black bean. So we have both the options. Then I will add the barbecue paneer in this, which is sweet and spicy. It is like a chatpata kind of a. So we are done with the base, we are done with the protein.
Okay.
Now we'll go with the toppings. So toppings we always recommend go with both the salsas.
Okay.
So you have a mild and the spicy ones.
Normal one, not much more spice.
Sorry.
Normal taste.
Normal taste.
Huh.
So I will suggest go with the mild salsa.
Okay.
So this is made up of tomatillos as I mentioned. So it gives the tartness. It is not like a normal tomatoes. It is like a green small tomatoes which are cooked in its own juices.
Okay.
So there is no oil used in this.
Oh. Right.
I'll add a bit of more. A bit of sour cream. So this sour cream will balance the overall flavor of the product.
Okay.
It is creamier.
Looks so yummy.
Then your fresh lettuce. Lettuce gives the crunchiness and the freshness to the product. Your fresh tomato salsa, which is every day freshly cut in the morning, and the seasonings are added. Whenever it gets over, we cut fresh and then we add it.
Okay.
In case it is left over, then we throw it. So every day we use the fresh. So I'll be adding this. Then your fresh corn salsa, which is again a freshly boiled corns with the seasonings. So it gives the sweetness, a bit
Yeah.
of sweet. It balances the overall flavor again. Then your jalapenos. So if somebody wants a bit of sour and the spicy, so it gives that
Taste.
hit into the overall product. So I'll add little bit of this.
मुझे बहुत पसंद है खट्टा और तीखा
तू है ही तिखा ने कट्ठा ने भाई यार तू है ही ऐसा क्यों है भाई
Then the cheese, if somebody is interested in cheese. If you don't add any sauce, any cheese of this, I mean still it will taste amazing. So I'll just add little
made
bit
by
of
your
cheese.
hand, so it
because
will
in
be-
Surat people prefer cheese.
because it
so
is
that's the
made
reason.
from your hand.
Surat everywhere people prefer cheese.
Then you can choose the sauce.
Okay.
So we have our signature sauce, which is your Okabana sauce,
Okay. So
which
you
is
can-
sweet and spicy.
No, I want normal taste.
Huh, but then it is not as spicy as what you feel. But it's a mild sweet,
Because
spicy.
doctor
around the
advised me
side.
to not have
So I'll
spicy.
add little bit of this.
उनकी स्पेशलिटी है
हाँ वो बात ठीक है हमको डॉक्टर ने दूर रहने कहा है
I'll add chipotle sauce.
ओके
And you are done.
ओह माय गॉड
Then I want popcorn.
लवली दिस इज
So you
रेयर
can see the portion size.
यार
It is very filling, and also the price has been done in such a way that it is very pocket
टू
friendly.
मच फीलिंग सर व्हाट इज द नेम
My name is Vikas.
विकास भाई ने बहुत अच्छा बनाया है यहाँ पे विकास भाई आपने मतलब ये कहाँ से सीखा है आपने मतलब आप गए थे मेक्सिको
Sorry.
कौन सी हॉस्पिटलिटी से आपने सीखा है
So I have worked for certain companies
Oh.
where I was used to develop products
Okay.
in my past organization. So I have worked in Jubilant Food Works. Before that, I have worked with Neo Foods. So there are certain companies where I have worked and I have developed the products by keeping the consumers in mind.
ओके so you have good experiences so why you left all these big company and came here I want to know about that
Sorry, sir.
why you left that company and you came here
So the owners
you
they approached me. They wanted. So I wanted to
experiment
try something new cuisine.
okay
And Italian is already
हाँ, limited
limited
limitations.
and already it is running, like everybody is aware of it.
Okay.
This was something very challenging and got the right promoters, so just thought of
and you
adding and learning something new.
can you cut it 1 by 2
Sorry, sir.
1 by 2 can you cut it
Achha.
because I will eat it here with my friends
तो 1/3 થવું જોઈએ તો 1/3 થવું
हाँ
જોઈએ
तो 1 by 3 करिए ना भाई
So I'll make another one. I will not prefer to.
हम कुछ
No,
और
no, no. We will try different.
You can keep it if you don't
You know, we'll
want.
just tasting from your hand, Mr. Vikas sir. We are very lucky to have wrap from your hand.
So generally we give one wrap for one person.
Yeah, one
And it goes
portion.
into the.
No, no. ये जो 1 पीस है ना वो दूसरे उसमें रख दो क्योंकि हम 3 है ना तो 2 प्लेट चाहेगा
बढ़िया
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Rosni. May God bless you. Hi, how are you? भाई बर्थडे है विश कर लो हाँ फिर बाद में दिवाली में मिलेगी नहीं फिर बहुत बिजी हो जाएगी यार
नीरव सर को बुलाओ भाई उन्होंने ऑर्डर दिया
नीरव सर अभी फोटो फाड़ने में बिजी है I have 2 Rohan today. Mr. Rohan here, Panwala sir, and 1 Rohan here. Rohan Bagar. And Vinod sir here.
Yeah, cheers.
And here we have Jack Khatri. So we are the boys here having a party. Yo! We have Geeta ji here. After 1 year, Ankita is live here with me. Come here. Hello. We have Vanita ji here with me. Namaste. Welcome. Dhanyavad. So we have a good party here because makeover hai. Say all hi everybody. Butter girl is here. Thank you for party. Hello. Farida ji, hello. Ankita, wow.
Then he's chef.
Mr. Vikas.
Mr. Vikas, yeah. So the concept they're going to explain you. बहुत ही यूनिक और डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट है यहाँ पे खाने का और एंजॉय करने का. So they will explain you and then he will say about the preparation. जैन के लिए भी उन्होंने स्पेशल अराउंड कुछ अलग क्यूरेट करके रखा है. So they will also talk about that. So over to Ankita first and then to chef.
Yeah. Hello everyone. The thing is Okavana. Okavana is a brand. So Okavana is a brand. हम लोग pan India लेके आ रहे हैं. So this is our first outlet. Second outlet will be coming at airport within next week. We are going to start, and it's a Mexican QSR. So we want our brand is like we have seen that Mackie and Pizza Hut is both the brand are in India are in QSR model, are famous one, but not any Indian brand. So we are coming up with the Indian brand of Okavana and Mexican QSR. Okavana means Okavana.
खाली पेट आना और भरे पेट जाना.
Yes. Okay. That's how it's that's how it comes as a Okavana. And you have Oka uncle over here, so you can click the photo with that.
बाहर है.
I saw.
बाहर है.
So you can click over your photos over there. So other than this, chef will explain about our food.
Hi, so this is Vikas. So the food has been designed in such a way that the emphasis has been laid onto the fresh ingredients, healthy, nutritious, as well as very flavorful. And since we are into the QXR model, so the food has to be done at a very faster pace, very easy to do, and it is very easy to replicate also. And we have a combinations of your burrito, wrap, the rice bowl, the nachos, and the salad. In the starters, we have tacos. So among 4 of these products, you can customize based on what you want. So we have 4 varieties of proteins, which is your lemon chili mushroom, your piri piri potatoes, your barbecue paneer, and chipotle paneer. So everything is on the lines of Mexican, which is authentic. Also kept in mind the Indian consumer. So it is very price oriented. I mean, it is very price friendly and a good volume to eat. So it is very pocket friendly that way, and it is very affordable. So that is all about. And among other toppings, we have the fresh salsas. We have very unique ingredients like Hass avocado, which gives the creaminess to the product. We also have a tomatillos, which is specifically used in the Mexican cuisine, which has green small tomatoes, which is completely oil free. So that is salsas are very much oil free. In house, we are making fresh salsas, which are corn and tomatoes. That is done every day. When it is left over, so you choose the base as a tortilla, the wrap, the bowls, the tacos, whatever you want. You can choose the flavors. So it is visible. That's how it is. And fresh.
First in the line.
देखो एक खाओगे ना पूरा पेट भर जाएगा. तो सब कुछ टेस्ट करना बहुत अमेजिंग है. We have tasted
three stuff.
कौन से?
So keeping the the Indian consumers in Surat in mind, we have also a Jain option, which is no onion, no garlic. So that has the same taste as what you get in the garlic naan.
जो कोई नहीं खा रहा है वो हम खाने वाले हैं।
पहले फोटो